Welcome, kin family. We shall continue our series of letters. Today we shall discuss words starting with the letter W. W for wolf. A wolf is a large wild animal that is related to dogs, lives and hunts in groups called packs, and howls to communicate with other wolves. W for wolf. W for whale. Whales are large animals that live in water. Whales may look like fishes, but they are mammals. They breathe air and produce milk for their young. W for whale. W for walruses. Walruses have wrinkled brown and pink skin, 2 long teeth and lots of blubber on their bodies to keep them warm in the cold Arctic water. W for walrus. W for wasp. Wasp is a winged insect that is related to bees and ants and has a slim body. It has 6 legs. There are 1,000 kinds of wasps on earth. W for wasp. W for worm. Worms are typically long, thin creatures that can move slowly and steadily without legs. They range in size and body structure. W for worm. W for watermelon. A watermelon is a large oval fruit with green skin, sweet juicy pulp and seeds. The most common ones are red watermelon. W for watermelon. W for waterfall. A waterfall is a place where water flows over the edge of a high mountain or hill and falls into a pool or below. W for waterfall. Let's recap quickly. W for wolf, whale, walrus, wasp, worm, watermelon. Waterfall. Hope you enjoyed today's session. If it was a learning topic for you, do like and subscribe our channel and be a part of our Kind family.